I am E. Malarvili, St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Chennai. My topic is brief about biosignal characteristics. This is the topic under the subject Basics of Biomedical Instrumentation. The subject code is OMD 551. This is one of the elective subject for 5th semester Electronics and Communication Engineering students. In this subject, Unit 2 deals about biosignal characteristics and electrode configurations. The topics are biosignal characteristics, frequency and amplitude ranges of biosignals in EEG 10 to 20 electrode system, modes of operation unipolar, bipolar and average mode. In ECG, Einthoven's triangle standard 12 lead system. In EMG, the modes of operations unipolar and bipolar mode. Now, biosignal or bioelectric signal. What is biosignal? A biosignal is any signal in living beings that can be continually measured and monitored. The term biosignal is often used to refer to bioelectrical signals, but it may refer to both electrical and non-electrical signals. Some of the most familiar biosignals are ECG, electrocardiogram, EEG, electroencephalogram, EMG, electromyogram, PCG, phonocardiogram. This table shows the characteristics of bioelectric signals. Here, variety of biosignals are shown in the first column. Next column is spectrum of those signals. Third, biopotential ranges. Fourth, what are the sensing devices used to measure those biosignals? And finally, we have from where the signals are originated. First signal is electrocardiogram. The spectrum, that is the range of frequency for ECG, it is 0.05 to 100. Potential range, it is in the order of microvolts. 10 to 5000 covers fetal range. The measuring devices used, that is sensors used, are surface electrodes and needle electrodes. It is originated from heart muscles of the living things. Next is electroencephalogram. Frequency range 0.1 to 100. Potential range 2 to 200. Then electrodes used, surface and needle electrodes. This tells about neuronal activity of brain. Next is cerebral potentials. Here pulse duration is given, it is in the order of seconds, 0.6 milliseconds to 0.1 second. Voltage range is 10 to 10,000 microvolts. Deep needle electrodes are used to measure this cerebral potentials. Cerebrum of the brain is the origin for this signal. Next is EMG. Frequency range 5 to 2000. Potential range 20 to 5000. Surface or needle electrodes are used to measure this type of biosignal. These are originated from skin muscles. Next will be electrocardiogram. The frequency range 0.05 to 0.2, potential range 10 to 350. Surface electrodes are used to measure these electrocardiogram signals. This is originated from peristaltic movement of the gastrointestinal tract. Next is electroretinogram ERG. This is 0.01 to 200 Hz frequency, 0.5 to 1000 microvolts range. The electrodes used are called as corneal electrodes. This is originated from retina of the eye. And finally we have electroacoulogram EOG. This is some DC voltage to 100 Hz. The microvoltage range 10 to 3500 microvolts. Here miniature surface electrodes are used, and the signal originated from corneal retinal potential variations. And now see ECG. This is otherwise called as EKG, and some terminologies used in ECG. Electrocardiogram. This is a record or graphical representation of the electrical activity of the heart. Next will be electrocardiograph. This is the instrument used for measuring this electrocardiogram signal, that is heart signal. Electrocardiography. This is the technology by which the electrical activities of the heart are studied. ECG waveforms. The ECG waveform is invented by Einthoven. He named the signal with 5 letters in the alphabetical order. Those are P, Q, R, S and T. In this waveform, the width of the waveform represents the time measurement. Height and depth of the wave represents the voltage of the waveform. We have positive deflection as well as negative deflection in this waveform. Positive deflection is upward deflection of a wave. Negative deflection is downward deflection of the wave. This waveform is the graphical representation of ECG waveform. Here amplitude and duration of the waveform is given. For P wave it is 0.25 millivolts, R wave 1.60 millivolts, Q wave 25% of R wave, T wave is 0.1 to 0.5 millivolts. Duration PR interval 0.1 to 0.20 seconds, QT interval 0.35 to 0.44 seconds, ST segment 0.05 to 0.15 seconds, P wave interval 0.11 second, QRS interval 0.09 second.